Dito kami sa Seafood City. Uwi na kami. Yan. Andito ang Jollibee. Ayan ang Filipino store. Walking tayo? Sige. Okay, go home. Yeah, we just buy cake. And we'll go home now. Nine o'clock na pala, kaya konti na lang, konti na lang tao.
Ayan.
Yes. Okay.
What is Asian food on these days? Asian food, sleep.
So, ginaganyan mo yan, ano kaya?
Alin? Hindi ko ginagalaw
Pag
yan.
nanonood.
Go 360. Like, for example, you want to like go the opposite way. So you can do the no, not 180. Search it up.
Takip silim na, sunset.
It's
Now the degrees is 22.
you never see it.
This afternoon is
Oh.
26.
No way.
How does it work? Do the fucking tires just go?
Yeah. No, like each wheel spins like,
Malamig-lamig na.
certain way, certain rotation.
Pag araw, mainit, 26. Now is
Look it up right
22.
now.
You're tripping balls.
I don't have bike like that.
Huh?
I don't have bike like that.
Nah. That's what everybody says. They all say.
Magkano, Clark, ang Telos?
Huh?
Telos, yung may data.
Ewan.
Ano pa, Telos? Oh dear God, you made me.
See, I told you.
I think that's like the newer model. That looks so fake. Like that looks fake. I don't know. That's crazy.
Malamig ko maliba.
Imagine just like coming down here.
Oh no.
I don't think that guy has helmet on. Alright.
He has helmet?
That's illegal.
Oh no. When I have a bicycle, I do like that.
I know.
When I got my e-bike.
Wala pang ang ilang kilometer.
No, 32 kilometers yun.
No, but no, me.
Mm.
Kapag mabigat ka, bababa yun ng ano. Hindi. Totoo.
Ganon?
Like, you know, when you ride a electric scooter, say it's up, max is 80 kilometers per hour. But when I'm on it, it's like 70 something.
Oh?
So for her, let's say 32 kilometers per hour max. If it steps on it, goes down by at least 50.
Oh, relax. 32 kilometers per hour.
32 km per hour.
Nakasungit na nakababae pala.
Mukha lang masungit pero makabe.
Derry na tayo. Mississauga pa rin tayo. This our ways here. We clean here. Tapi.
Very
the boundary of Mississauga and Brampton.
Tutok na tutok.
Sino? Sa likod natin? Ayan.
May bus.
Ayan, may nakatap. Tutulin. Brampton. Tutulin ang sasakyan.
You see, Tim Hortons is going to stop.
May bus pang isa na.
Ito may nag-walking pa, oh.
Ay! Lobat.
Naku, tigilan mo na yun na nasimulan mo na naman video.
Para pala tayong Style, para pala tayong nag-Mandarin.
Grabe.
Ano? Hindi.
tayo,
Mas mura pa nga doon.
tayo ulit dyan.
Oo nga. Eat all you can pa.
Sabi ko kasi masarap.
Kasi sa Mandarin, libre ka pa.
Kung
Diba?
ano,
Oo nga, no. Oh my God, that's a big mistake.
Doon, 160 lang tayo. Oh, kasi libre si Estel eh. Hindi, doon sa Mandarin.
3 adults.
Dahil libre si Estel. Susunod niya, walk of fame tayo. Birthday namin ni ay, Kiki. Tagal tayo hindi nakakapag-walk of fame. Tayo, birthday namin ni Daddy mo. Ay, dalawa kaming libre. Kailangan ang kasama, 6.
Kaya, hindi, ano y- ay, oo nga.
Hindi, baka ang ilibre lang, ano.
Isa lang, kasi
Oo.
per birthday celebrant ka lang may extra 3.
Oo.
So, kung dalawa, 6 dapat na extra.
Oo.
Wala namang kayo.
May ilaw na tayo.